Welcome to the City of Phoenix Employees Retirement System, also known as COPERS. In this series of short animated videos, we're going to explain what COPERS is and how COPERS works for you. Every one of us can benefit from a bit of financial awareness in thinking about and preparing for retirement. COPERS was created in 1953 to provide retirement, survivor, and disability benefits to City of Phoenix civilian employees. It is governed by Chapter 24 of the City Charter and can only be changed by a vote of the people. COPERS is dedicated to administering a retirement plan for past, current, and future City of Phoenix employees that prudently invests plan assets and delivers comprehensive support to meet the needs of COPERS members and their beneficiaries. The City of Phoenix Employees Retirement System, its members and retirees benefit greatly from the leadership of an experienced and knowledgeable retirement board. Within the scope of its fiduciary duties, the board oversees the administration of the city's retirement office, manages the investment of the system's assets, evaluates disability applications, and approves actuarial assumptions used to fund long-term benefit promises to COPERS members. The board consists of 9 members. 3 are elected by active employees. 4 are ex officio board members, generally the city manager or designee, city treasurer, finance director, and another department head. 1 elected citizen board member. 1 elected retired board member. Membership in COPERS is automatic for all full-time civilian employees. All members are required to contribute a percentage of their paycheck to the plan. The specific percentage varies based on your hire date. This is the employee contribution. As the plan sponsor, the city also contributes a percentage of each member's pay. This is the employer contribution. Because COPERS is a defined benefit plan, your pension is not limited to your accumulated member contributions. Instead, your pension is based on a simple formula specified in the city charter: final average salary times credited service times benefit ratio. Members become eligible for a lifetime pension when certain age and credited service requirements are met. When you become eligible and choose to retire, you can count on a monthly pension check for life. For more information specific to your tier, contribution amounts, and retirement criteria, please refer to the COPERS Retirement Guide, which is available on the Retirement Office website, or call the Retirement Office at 602-534-4400 to speak to a retirement assistant. COPERS is at work for you. Look for our next video defining COPERS membership, contributions, and vesting.